Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia and I'm here with a smoky eye tutorial. If you want to see how I create this look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
Hi guys, so I did my brows off camera. Now I'm taking this moisturizing serum and I'm gonna use this as my moisturizer for today. I love this stuff. I'll be sure to put the name somewhere in this video. Now I'm going to take my P. Louise Rumor 2 eyeshadow base. I'm going to pat this on my lid and blend it out. And then we're ready for our shadows. So I'm going in with the P. Louise Secret Sinner palette. And I'm taking the first color, which is Velvet Kiss. And I'm putting this directly in my crease, you guys. This color is so pretty. It's like a pinkish red because it has like a pink undertone, but it's really a red. The next color I'm going in with is Dreamy, and Dreamy is this amazing orange color, which I'm just gonna use to diffuse the lines of the red. Now I'm going in with Climax, and I'm just using Climax to diffuse the line of the orange and also as a transitioning color for that seamless, flawless look, okay? Okay guys, so now I'm going in with the NYX black base and we're going to put this all over our lids, and then we're going to use the black from the James Charles palette and pat that all over to set that base, okay? You guys, I use red and orange for my transition color for the smoky look, but just remember that you can use any color that you like because black goes with everything, okay? So you can use brown in the transition area, you can use green, you can use any color that you like. Now I'm going in with this blending brush. It's really a dense, kind of like a smudger blending brush, and I'm just gonna use this to blend the edges of that black, because girl, you don't want your black shadow to be just on your lid. You want it to be diffused and looking flawless, okay? So we're gonna blend. So I'm using the Velvet Kiss, the red color back, and I'm using that to diffuse the black even more. When you're doing a smoky eye, you want to make sure that you blend, because girl, you can't be looking like a raccoon out here in the streets, okay? So blend. All right. Now we're going to do the other eye off camera, and we're going to start with our face. The primer I'm using today is the Primed and Peachy primer from Too Faced. You know, we're gonna rub that in, get that in our skin, okay? Next, I'm gonna use the NYX Glow. I think it's a primer, I'm not sure, but this stuff is so pretty, and we're gonna put that all over our face for that extra glowy skin. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're going in with concealers, and that is the ColourPop concealers in Tan 50 and Golden 40. We're gonna use mostly the Tan 50 and then a little bit of the Golden 40 for that more highlighted look, because you know we have a smoky eye, so we want to brighten up our face a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender and we're going to blend out the concealer and then get ready for foundation. So the foundation that we're going to use is the Fenty Beauty Pro filter. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and this is in 420. Guys, I know I look a little bit white, a little bit scary, but trust the process, okay? I'm taking the Black Radiance Concealer Stick, and this is in 8003. I do not know the name of this shade, but that's the number. We're going to blend this out and contour our face. Okay guys, so we're using a beauty blender just to set everything. Then we're going in with our setting powders, and I'm taking the Flower Powder by Beauty Bakery and also the Sacha Buttercup. I'm using the Flower Powder first and then the Sacha Buttercup on top for my highlighted areas. Taking the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going in with the darker shade, and this is going to help us set our contoured areas. So we're going to take the Sacha Truly Tan setting powder, and we're going to low light our face. That is making our contour stand out a little bit more. Now let's take away all that setting powder under our eyes and everywhere except the low light using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark Deep. At this moment, my eyes were looking too precise, like the edges of my shadow, so I'm just diffusing that a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with this black pencil and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. So it's time to smudge that pencil out, and we're using the black shadow that we place on our lids from the James Charles palette just to smudge that pencil liner out. So we're taking Velvet Kiss and Dreamy, and we're just diffusing the line of the harshness of the black shadow. So I decided to put some glitter on, you guys. So I'm taking the NYX glitter primer, and these glitters are just a bunch of glitters that I mix. I mainly use the J-Cat glitter, but yeah, I think I prefer it with the glitter. So this are little bling bling, you know what I'm saying? So at this moment it's time for some lashes, and I'm using these wonderful gorgeous lashes, honey, and I think they're from Smooth Gal. Now it's time to sweep away any fallouts and set the remainder of our face using the MAC Mineralized powder in Dark Deep. Now I'm just adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. Let's add some color to our face, and I'm taking the Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette, and I'm just adding those two colors to my cheeks just to add a pop of color. Let's spray with some Morphe Setting Mist just to seal everything together and prep us for our highlight, which I'll be using next. And the highlight that I'll be using is the Maybelline Master Chrome in Rose Gold. And you guys know I love highlighting, so just prepare yourself, okay? Okay guys, it's time for our lips, and I'm taking the MAC lip liner in Chestnut, and then I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Dusk to Dawn, and on top of that I'm going to take the J Pat lip glaze in Atomic Tangerine. I think this is a great duo. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm sure you guys know this trick by now. I have these unwanted pimples that's disturbing my makeup look, so I just put a little bit of black liner on them and just brush it over. This is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys recreate this look, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.